their wings and fly rather than limiting their creativity. By this, I conclude my speech. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for your gorgeous speech. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Nalisa Sahu from class 8. Today, my debate topic is about Children's Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year. It is the birth anniversary of first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He was a great freedom fighter of our country.
Okay, thank you so much. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone, to the principal sir, chairman sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Swatmay Maharana from class 8. Today, I am going to Good afternoon, everyone, to the principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Swatmay Maharana from class 8. Today, I am going to tell about Children's Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated all over India since 1964. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was our beloved late Prime Minister. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister who independent India. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and his mother's name was Swarupani Nehru. Children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is also known as Bal Divas. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. Respected Vice Principal Sir, and the Chairman Sir. As we all know, today is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated every year in India on 14 November. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. He is believed that children are like birds in a garden and they should be nurtured carefully and lovingly. And they are the future of the nation and they are the citizen of tomorrow. Children's Day is not just a celebration but also the duty reflecting duties or rights to education, to play and to regard. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Tejaswini Poeta. I am student of class 9th. We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November every year in India. Children's Day celebrated on birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our India and a great leader. His father name was Motilal Nehru and mother name was Swarupani Nehru. He loved the children very much. They called him Chacha Nehru because of a love to used to be showering kids. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Chairman Sir, Secretary Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Bisurba Sahu from Standard 10. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day, and I would like to thank all teachers to giving me opportunity to speak about this special day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is very happy day for children. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. Children's Day is a very auspicious day for all children. Motilal
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairman, Sir, Principal, Vice Principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Abigail Bal from Standard 9 here in front of you to say few words on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November every year. As we all know, today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was very fond of kids, that is the reason he was also popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Children are like flowers in the garden. They give the beauty of the garden. I would like to conclude my speech by saying that children should be grown by love, not by force. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Good afternoon to the respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Pratiksha Priyadarshini from class 9. I feel honored to stand here and share my thoughts with you. Today we gather here to celebrate Children's Day, a day dedicated to happiness, innocence and bright future of children. This day is celebrated on 14 November every year to honor the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India, who loved children and believed that children are a real strength of a nation. Children Day remind us that every child deserves love, care, education and a safe environment to grow.
Okay, thank you so much. Next. Clap for the students.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Sasrika Prushti from class 9. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a very special day, and that is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated 14 November in India every year. Today we celebrate Children's Day because it is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born in 14 November 1889. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much, and he was a great leader. On this day, schools and colleges organized various events such as dances, songs, programs, etc. Teachers also give sweets and gifts for students to making the day special and joyful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next.
A miraculous afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Chairman Sir, and all the teachers present here. I am Suchishmita Das, the student of class 12. So it's give me great pleasure to tell something about this beautiful occasion before on you. So as we know that today is 14th November, the birthday ceremony of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born in 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Swarupa Rani. He was born in Pandit family, so his name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. But Indian children call him Chacha Nehru because his love and affection for children. He always told us to celebrate his birthday ceremony as Children's Day because he loved to involve with children. He was a prominent leader. He made our Indian government very well. So he also known as father of modern India. He was a great freedom fighter. Not only he was a great freedom fighter, but also he was a great writer. He wrote many novels, many poems, many stories. He always told us, today's children make our country tomorrow. Children are the bird in the garden, should be loving and care natured because they are the future nation of our future citizen of our tomorrow. Netaji, he always worked hard to provide the children a beautiful life and a beautiful world. But in today's generation, children face many challenges such as lack of studies, lack of playtime and depression. But on this day, let's take a promise to provide them a beautiful life and a beautiful world. On this special day, I wish you a very Children's Day, everyone. And lastly, I would say that to all my friends, you are enough, you are special, you are unique. Don't compare yourself to others. You have all potential. Lastly, I said that work hard, dream big, never give up, because a beautiful world waiting for your light to shine. Lastly, I would like to say that a very happy Children's Day, everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Next.
सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, सभी अध्यापक गण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आप सबको मेरे ओर से नमस्कार। आज हम यहाँ बाल दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। हर साल 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाया जाता है। यह दिन हमारे पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी की जन्म दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। नेहरू जी बच्चों से बहुत प्रेम करते थे और बच्चे उनको प्यार से चाचा नेहरू बुलाते थे। चाचा नेहरू जी का मानना था कि बच्चे देश के भविष्य हैं। वो हमेशा कहते थे कि आज के बच्चे कल के भविष्य हैं, इसलिए हमें बच्चों को अच्छे संस्कार, प्यार और शिक्षा देना चाहिए ताकि वो आगे जाकर एक अच्छे नागरिक बने। और चाचा नेहरू हमेशा कहते थे कि बचपन जीवन का सबसे सुंदर और सुरक्षित समय होता है, इसलिए हमें बचपन को कभी ऐसे जाना नहीं देना चाहिए। और बाल दिवस में मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि सपने देखिए, सपनों को पूरा कीजिए और अच्छी मेहनत करके अपने माता पिता, भाई बहन और अपने देश का नाम रोशन कीजिए। इतना कहना चाहती हूँ और धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much. Last participant of the debate, Sania Hemram.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sania Hemram of class 11. First of all, I wish you all happy Children's Day. It is my privilege to speak on the occasion of Children's Day 2025. As we all know, Children's Day are celebrated every year on November 14th, the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 1889. Chacha Nehru leads our nation as its first Prime Minister and is adored by generation for his deep affection towards children. Nehruji believed children are like birds in a garden. They should be nurtured carefully and lovingly, as they are the future of our nation and the citizens of tomorrow. He advocated for universal education and campaigns for equality regardless on a child, religion, background, social status. Children's Day is not just about celebration, but also about reflecting on our duties or